Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Actually, I am new on the YouTube, so if you like my video, then please like, share, and subscribe it. Uh, in today's video, we are solving one very important JavaScript question, and this question has been asked in so many companies. And practicing this type of question is extremely very helpful to improving your problem solving skills. So let's start to solve it together. So here we are given one user array, and in this user array so many objects are there, and in every object we have given id, name, department, and skill. And here three tasks are given. So in the first task is flatten skill. Okay, so here also output is given. So for in a first object, the skill is JS and React. So in a output there is two object. The first one is skill JS and name Amit, and in a second object skill React and name is Amit. Okay, so let's start to solve it. So first of all, you can pause your video and try to solve it by yourself. Okay. Cons flatted array. Okay. So first of all, we want two keys, skills and name. Okay. So what we are doing, return users dot skills and name. Okay, and also the skills is an array, and here we want in a object. So again we are doing a map, we are using the map methods. Okay, okay, and this will return skill and name. Okay, so let's check the output. Okay, so output, in a output name is Amit and skill is JS. In a second object React and Amit. In a third object Neha and JS. In a fourth object Neha and Node. Okay, okay, but let's also try to optimize this. Okay, okay, so if our key and value is same, so we are only return the key name. Okay, now we are optimize this one. In a second question, group by department. So based on this array of object, we want to group by the department. So we, okay, and output is always in a object. Okay, so if we want the output in any object, any single value, then we are using the reduce method. Okay, group by department. Okay, so in this return users reduce accumulator and current, and output is in object. Okay, so in current we only want department and name. Okay, so we can return accumulator. Okay, and check in a accumulator department is there or not. In accumulator, if department is not there, then we are putting name as accumulator dot department dot push name. Okay, so let's check the output. So in a design, we have one array with name Raj. Okay, so let's check. Okay, so in a engineering department, we have a two person, Amit and Neha, and for the design, we have only one person, Raj. Okay, so yes, in design team, we have only one person, Raj, and in engineering department, we have a two person, Amit and Neha. Okay, so third task is count skill frequency. So we have to count skill frequency. Okay, so also here we want the output in a single object, so we are also using the reduce method. Okay, skill count. Okay, here we are also using the reduce method. Okay, we want skills. Okay, okay, but skills is an array. Okay, so let's do one thing. First of all, we can create one new array, and in this new array we can merge all the skills. Okay, merge skills, users name, flatMap every skills and skills. So let's check the output in merge skills. Okay, yes, so here all the skills are there. So instead of the users, we can apply reduce in a merge skills. Okay, merge skills accumulator, and instead of these skills we are using current. If accumulator may, we have to check in a accumulator current is there or not. If current is not there, then current is 1, else we want to increase the current. Okay, so let's check the output. Figma 1, JS2, Node 1, and React 1. Okay, so this type of question has been asked in a so many company. Recently, I give interview in 2 or 3 companies, and in every company they ask this type of question. So practicing this type of question for the interview is very helpful to crack the first round, because in every company the first round is a JavaScript round. So in the JavaScript round they mostly ask this type of question. So if you want this type of more question, then please comment down. I will make more videos on this type of question. Thank you.